Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to make lemon water. This will be a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. All that you need is a lemon, something to cut the lemon with, like a knife like this over here, or anything else that you can use to cut a lemon. There are a few different tools. And you need either a jug of water or a bottle of water or even just a glass of water. Essentially, you want to get the thing that you want to fill up with lemon water, and you want to fill it up with water first, okay? So I've already washed this out and rinsed it out. That's why it's a little bit wet. And I'm going to fill it up with water, and I'm filling it up with cold water, but I'm going to put it in the fridge after anyways, so I'm not so concerned about the water being super cold, but I do like cold lemon water. That's my preference, but really it's up to you. So I'm filling it up with cold water. I don't know how much is in here, but it is quite a bit. I'll put a little bit more in there. Let's just really fill it up. That looks good to me. Okay, we are going to turn off the water. So now we've filled up the jug with water. The next step is to make sure you rinse your lemon, because we are going to be putting it in, including the skin. So rinse it out however you want to rinse it out. I've already rinsed mine, which is why it's wet over here, just to save some time on the video. And then we're going to slice up the lemon, okay? Now, it's up to you how thick you want your lemon slices to be and how much of the lemon you want to use. You can use half a lemon. You can use one slice if you want. You can use any amount of the lemon that you'd like to. I'm going to slice up this whole lemon. That's just my own preference, and I'm going to slice it up rather thin to medium sized slices, just because, I should say thin to medium thickness slices, just because it's more surface area touching the water, so it's probably going to give it a little bit of a more flavory taste. So I'm going to just slice off the ends, okay? Obviously, always be careful whenever you are using a knife. Okay, so I'm going to slice off the ends. We're not going to use this part because this doesn't really have citrus. Some people will put that in, but I'm not going to put it in. And even this part over here, you can see it doesn't really have much citrus, so I'm not really going to waste it in the water. Okay, but once you have access to the citrus part over there and over there, those are the slices that you're going to use. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm just going to take a quick moment just to slice this up. Like I said, I'm going to use the whole lemon. And then what I like to do sometimes is I'll just, when that water is done, I'll just refill it, even using the same lemon slices. And the next fill on that jug won't be as like strong with regards to the lemon taste, but it'll still be there. Okay, so we're gonna go and we're gonna slice it just like that. And the last one, very carefully, we're going to slice down just like that. Okay, usually I slice right on the counter, to be honest with you, on this counter, but I just wanted to have a cutting board. It kind of looks better for the video. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the seeds, as many of the seeds as I can remove. Sometimes you can't get every single seed, but I'm going to try to remove as many seeds as I can, just like that, because this is a personal preference thing, but I don't want the seeds floating around, and more specifically, my wife doesn't want the seeds floating around in the water. So I just remove them because it just takes like literally a quick moment. Okay, look through the slices and remove any seeds that you see. All right, almost done. And we are getting close to actually having the lemon water. And I'll give you a few quick tips when we actually create the lemon water. We're almost there. Just gonna finish removing these seeds over here, just like this. And that should be it, I believe. Yeah, that's it. That's the last seed. Okay, so now we're gonna do, I'm just gonna get a paper towel. Just give me a moment just to wipe my hands. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take the lemon slices, we're going to place them inside of the water, just like that. And they're going to absorb the water, and they will start to sink down a little bit depending on the density of the lemon slices, okay? So I just see actually there are some seeds right in this one over here. I'm going to bring that one out. Guess I missed that one, and I'll just take the seeds out. I see one more seed now. Let's get rid of it if possible. There we go. So I'm just going to remove the seeds, like I said, just briefly. And like I said, it's just a personal preference thing. It's completely up to you. Do whatever you want to do. Use your judgment. Okay? And just one last seed right over here. All right, so we're going to play, I believe that's it. Yeah, that feels like that's it. We're going to place that in there, and now we have our lemon water. Now, here's a quick tip. Don't just go and drink it right away. You want to let it sit and sort of just sit like this for a bit, because the citrus from the lemon will get into the water. You can already see the coloration that it's turning to lemon water, because you see that I use a whole lemon. So with that being said, You can also stir it around. So you can get like a stir spoon and stir it around, or you could just do what I'm gonna do right here, which is kind of just swish it around like that. It's really gonna get that citrus flowing through the water. And that's it. That is essentially how to make lemon water. A super easy tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.